All right, so today I'm going to do just a quick lesson on integer rule practice to remind you of how we multiply, divide, add, and subtract. Okay, so when we're multiplying, it is pretty straight up. I've got two positives. 2 times 3 is 6. Positive times positive is positive. It would be the same thing if I had negative 2 times negative 3, because a negative times a negative is positive. The outcome will be positive. So that would still also be 6. What happens if the signs are different? So it would be the same. 2 times negative 3 is 6. And then one individual negative sign makes it negative. If I had negative 2 and a positive 3, it would still only have one negative, so the outcome would be negative 6. Nick, come here and build your towers, honey. Come on. Come here, build your piggy a place to live with your blocks. Come on. Come on. Okay. Dividing when they're both positive. Oh, that's the doorbell. Well, let me go see who it is. Goodness gracious. Yeah, I heard the doorbell. Allie, why are you ringing the doorbell?
Oh, because I didn't know.
Are you going to let your brother play with you outside?
I was about to ask something that I already asked.
So what was the answer the first time?
You never gave me an answer.
What was the question?
The question was, can I go up that big, like that hill and go back down?
Not right now. Why don't you play with your little brother in the front yard?
Aiden is still here.
That's okay. As long as Aiden stays here, you can play with him. Okay, I'm doing a math lesson, girlfriend. All right, so. I'm so done, y'all. This was just an example to show you how it would sound if I did a video lesson at home with the kids running around. But I guess for some of you who might want it, I'll finish the lesson. So positive 4 divided by positive 2, the answer is going to be a positive 2. If I had a negative 4 divided by a negative 2, remember that those two negatives equal a positive. That's when the signs are the same. So same sign gives me a positive outcome with multiplication and division. All right, let's do this 4 divided by negative 2. I only see a singular negative sign, so the answer will be negative. And then 4 divided by 2 is 2. Okay? Let's do our addition and subtraction. When it looks normal, like 2 plus 1, you know it's 3. Or if it's 2 minus 1, you know the answer is 1. But y'all get really tripped up when you see either multiple signs going on here, or even if you just have negative 2 minus 1, you get confused, okay? So this positive and this negative together really just means this same thing right here, okay? Negative 2 minus 1 is, that's like if I owe my friend $2 and then I owe my mom $1. Altogether, I owe still, so it's negative $3. Okay? What about down here? Negative 2 minus negative 1. These two minuses together make a positive. Remember, two negatives equal positive. So I've got negative 2 plus 1. The signs are different now. So I'm going to do, really in my head, here's what I'm going to do. 2 minus 1, and I'm going to get a 2. I'm sorry, that's totally wrong. 2 minus 1 is 1. Hello. And then the number that was technically bigger, if you ignore the signs, okay, the number that was technically bigger is the 2. And what's the sign in front of the 2? It's a negative sign. So the final answer will be negative. Or another way that you could think about it is, if I owe my friend $2 and I have $1 in my pocket, do I have enough to pay my friend? And the answer is no. I'm going to be $1 short. So -1 is the answer. I hope that you enjoyed this fun, short little video. And then I also hope that you're thankful that I don't video these at home. I try to do them at school when it's quiet. All right, y'all. Have fun.